Degoo Cloud Storage Pricing explained what you get for your money. Degoo isn't just another cloud storage service. You won't believe how much it focuses on security and space. Most people get this wrong by assuming free storage is enough, but the surprising truth is Degoo offers AI-powered backup, end-to-end encryption, and up-to-earth of cloud storage for serious users. Pricing starts with a free plan offering herb of storage, basic backup, and ad-supported features. For more serious users, the premium plan is per month for herb, with no ads, automatic photo backup, and priority support. The ultimate plan, at per month, provides herb of storage, advanced encryption, and multi-device syncing. Most people get this wrong by ignoring the iBackup and encryption features, which significantly enhance security and data reliability. Degoo's mobile and desktop apps make it easy to back up photos, videos, and documents automatically. You won't believe how convenient it is to recover files instantly or sync data across devices without manually managing folders. In conclusion, Degoo's pricing scales with storage needs and security requirements. By selecting the right plan, you get peace of mind knowing your data is safe, easily accessible, and backed up intelligently. For users looking for high-capacity, secure cloud storage, Degoo delivers strong value for the money.